In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan projects using Grok AI, Productivity Guide 2026. If you're looking for a fast, structured way to turn ideas into actionable plans, this walkthrough will get you from a blank page to a clear roadmap in just a few minutes. All you need is a web browser and access to Grok. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Head straight to the official site so you're working with the latest interface and features. Everything we cover happens right in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Next, log into your Grok account. This part is quick, and while it's not strictly required, signing in helps save your progress so you can come back to your plan later without losing anything. It also keeps your conversation history together, which is helpful when you're refining details over time. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface. It's designed to be clean and minimal so you can focus on the work. Take a second to notice the main content area where responses will appear. That's where your plan will take shape. On the main screen, look for the chat bar at the bottom. This is where you'll type your instructions. Think of it like a command center. You explain what you need, and Grok builds it step by step. Now, ask Grok to create a project plan. You can keep it simple by saying something like, "Create a project plan," or be more specific, such as, "Generate a project plan for launching a new website." For the best results, include key details in your message: the goal, deadline, scope, audience, and any constraints you already know. Grok will generate a structured plan that may include phases, milestones, tasks, and suggested timelines. Read through the output and make sure it aligns with your objectives. If the first draft isn't quite what you need, ask again for more detailed information. You can request more depth in specific sections like, "Make this more detailed," "Break tasks into weekly milestones," "Clarify dependencies," or "Expand the risk management section." Keep iterating. Tell Grok what to add, remove, or reformat until it matches your workflow. The more you clarify your requirements, the sharper and more useful the plan becomes. That's all you need to plan projects with Grok AI. Go to grok.com, log in if you want to save your work, locate the chat bar, ask Grok to generate a project plan, and refine the details with follow-up prompts. With a few clear instructions, you'll have a practical roadmap you can act on today.